MCA 21. MCA 21 is the e-governance initiative from the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. It is a project of National E-Governance Plan. Why this project was initiated? In the year 2002, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, then it was known as Department of Company Affairs, faced a problem of providing service to nearly 7.5 lakh corporate entities. Large amount of paperwork was to be processed, and the paperwork was constantly increasing because foreign companies were coming to India, and the number of documents need to be handled were constantly increasing. How this project was implemented? The task of the bid process was given to National Institute for Smart Governance, NISG. The project has been implemented by Tata Consultancy Service under Build, Own, Operate and Transfer BOOT model. In BOOT model, private organization does not own the project as an asset, but receive concession to operate it for a period of time. The second phase of the project is being implemented by Infosys for the period of January 2013 to July 2021. What does MCA 21 do? In layman's language, it collects the data from the companies and provides it to the companies and the general public for their use. Now let's complicate it. The MCA 21 application is designed to fully automate all process related to proactive enforcement and compliance of legal requirements under the Companies Act 1956, New Companies Act 2013 and Limited Liability Partnership Act 2008. This will help business community to meet their statutory obligation. Statutory obligations are the obligations that are there in the acts that are passed by the Parliament. We will discuss about the Limited Liability Partnership Act companies in the later part of the video. What are the benefits of MCA 21? Now, MCA 21 has data, well organized data. So, this enables the business community to register the company and file statutory documents quickly and easily. So, ease of doing business, opening companies is now easier than before. Secondly, provides easy access of public documents like where the company is registered, who are the directors and what are the charges against it. The charges are the bank loans and other liabilities that are there in the balance sheet of the company. Thirdly, it helps faster and effective resolution of public grievances. Definitely, with all the data available, now the public grievances can be easily made and they can be now if you are filing a lawsuit against a company, then you will have its registered address, directors and everything with you. Fourth, helps registration and verification of charges easily. So, if you are again going for a litigation or a complaint, then this data can be useful. Ensures proactive and effective compliance with the relevant laws and corporate governance. Definitely the MCA 21 makes sure that all the documents and the KYC, know your customer and their DIN number, direct identification number are there. So, this is very helpful. This and the last, sixth, enables MCA employees to deliver the best breed of service. This data has been used extensively to help the grievances of the people and help other companies to look forward to work with the other companies. MCA 21 offers certain services like issuing digital signature certificate. The Information Technology Act 2000 has provisions for use of digital signatures on the documents submitted in electronic form in order to ensure the security and authenticity of the document filed electronically. This is secure and authentic way to submit a document electronically. So, these companies, the LLPs and the companies are made sure that they are filing their documents electronically. So, no more paperwork. So, this is a paperless provision and you need not to sign it physically. So, you can use a digital signature. So, MCA provides the digital signature certificate for that. Second is DIN number or director identification number. The concept of director identification number has been introduced for the first time while the insertion of section 266A to section 266G of Companies Amendment Act 2006. As such, all existing and intending directors have to obtain a DIN within the prescribed time frame as notified. So, this is just like, in a layman's language, it's like a PAN card. If you want to start a company and become a director in a company, you need to have a DIN number for LLPs, private limited and India limited companies. The third is view master details of any company LLP registered with the registrar of companies. This is a very important facility that has been made available to the general public to the view master details of any company LLP registered with the registrar of companies. This facility may be availed by clicking view company master data. A similar facility has been made available in respect of the registrar of charges for the companies LLPs by clicking on the view index charges and view details of the signatories of any company or LLP by clicking on the view signatory details. This makes sure that you know who are the person behind the company and what charges or liabilities they have. And the fourth important service is e-filing of limited liability partnerships. In order to carry out a e-filing of LLP, a facility to download the e-form and fill it offline mode is available. So, you need not to have sign and go to the office for that. You can just do it by using your digital signature. And the fifth is registration of a new company. MCA 21 has a provision for registering a new company, so you don't need to visit the office in physical. You can do it by just using internet, and of course you should need to have a guidance from a CA or an accountant or a person who has knowledge of it. Raise complaint or concerns with respect to MCA and its services. So this is a grievance redressal process also. You can file complaints if you have any problem with the working of MCA 21 or Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And the fee and payment services are also done through this database of MCA 21. And they also are helpful for the investor services just by knowing the exact amount the company is worth or what are its. 1/3 of the companies registered under MCA under non-government, non-financial sector of service sector are missing and are suspected to be bogus. We will discuss about this in the next video, how these missing companies led to the wrong GDP data of India. And this is a matter of concern and we'll find out. Please like and subscribe and do let us know what you like to hear from us. Thank you.